I know. I've been doing a lot of unboxings, but too friggin' bad. I'm doing another one. And I'm actually super stoked on this one. Why? Because this is stuff that I got from my boy PFR Vintage. Not directly from him, but he holds shipping for me and then ships me a big box. This is stuff that I've been buying from random people for like 3 months maybe. All comes in one box, and then I get to do the big unboxing. Okay. I haven't looked at it yet. I'm just going to open it and show you everything because I don't even remember what's in there. But I do know there's a sick Patagonia piece. Watch to the end because I'm showing you that one last, okay? Let's go. Okay. Ooh, this one is actually from PFR. Doing these ones on trade. Okay, check out these Airwalks. Oh man. Oh man. Super OG. Rainbow leopard. Call that rainbow leopard. Look at the toe cap. Yo, stoked on these. Thank you, Piefer. Okay, that's first out the box. What is this? Oh, this is just a gift from Peef, I think. Provinces of Canada. The great country of Canada. Yeah, okay, well, find a use for that somewhere, somehow. Who knows? Okay. Forget who I bought this stuff off too, but this is a nice little bundle. Okay, check it. MGM Grand Wizard of Oz, 1993. MGM tag. Super cool. Super cool. Look, I got Kermit the Frog. I got a bunch of these on the changes tag. These are the Calvin Klein Muppets ones. Got the Kermit. Bart Raiders. Bart goes Raiders. Too black, too strong. Sicker. Okay, who's this from? His Instagram is DZ Got Heat. Shout out DZ Got Heat. I got a big bundle from him. Okay. Star Wars. Again, the Calvin Klein rip. On the changes tag. Man, I'm going to have like a whole stash of changes tag stuff. This is cool. Retina Graphics. It's the anatomy of an eyeball. Got the anatomy of an eyeball. Who doesn't love a good eyeball? A good balling. Another bootleg Bart. Can't touch this. Fucking Bart. It said can't touch this fucking Bart. That's awesome. Okay, more of these CKs. Look, Bugs Bunny, CK on the changes. Holy, I got a stash. Darth Vader. This one's on a Tall-Tex. Man, random shit. Oh, this is dope. Bruce Brown's Endless Summer. This is one of the most iconic surf films of all time. You gotta watch it. I think it's like, could be the 60s, but this is 1985 that this sweatshirt's from, but the movie is from like, I believe the late 60s or early 70s. They travel the world finding some of the sickest waves. Some of the most iconic waves to this day were discovered in this film. If you're a surfer, you gotta watch. I mean, if you're a surfer, you already know it. Come on. Okay, another coronary artery bypass heart anatomy thing. Kind of rad. This one's on Hanes 50/50. This is a goodie though. Stoner Park. Check the graphic. Stoner Park. This is on Big Johnson by Oneida. Ooh, have you seen that tag? Big Johnson Bionita. Single stitch. All around. 1997. Yeah! The NBA's best just got better. 1996 ring tee. See this tee? This is a single ring. I'm pretty sure I have the triple ring tee too. Pro Player XL. Okay. Ride with Pride. Again. I don't remember buying that. So, there you go. Oh, yo, I remember buying this though. Look at that West Beach tee. Super dope graphic on a tall text with the West Beach logo. Whoo! Love that. Love me some good old West Beach. Okay, little West Beach history. If you don't know, West Beach started by Chip Wilson in Canada, Calgary, Alberta, and went on to be a pretty big snowboard company all through the 90s and into like probably the early 2000s. He sold it off. Chip Wilson went on to create Lululemon. You've all heard of Lululemon. He became a billionaire from creating stretchy pants that make your ass look good. So, cool history behind West Beach, but it was a very core snowboard, surfy, skate kind of brand for a while. Really respected. Obviously later on it got kind of wishy-washy, sold out, but whatever. You guys know what it is. You know what it is. Ray Troll. Ray motherfucking Troll. Hook, line, and thinker. I do remember buying this. Budweiser. AOP. Vintage Warrior. If you're watching this, I know you want this. I know you want this. This is an El Dorado University tag. 70s permapress. Short sleeve Bud shirt. Pretty dope. Like, come on. Okay, got the Serial Killer. The World Is Yours. Scarface tee. Serial Killer. I'll sell this one. I'm not really like, I don't really collect this brand. That's an XL. Good XL. Okay, what's up? WWF. Jericho Hall brand. Booze spoof. Y2J Millennium Blend. Bottled in Canada. Deftones. Late 90s Deftones. This is so sick. Look, this is Xena Warrior Princess Calvin Klein boot. Never seen that. That's on Changes. Okay. Tasmanian Devil. Tall-Tex. Linus. Changes XL. Man, they made a lot of these different guys. Other Changes. Joe Cool. Elmo Wear. Sesame Street tag. This Elmo one's good. Tickle Me Elmo. But the end all be all of this haul. You ready? This is the mystery reveal. Dun da dun da dun da da dun da dun da dun da dun da dun da dun da 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 da. This is Reversible Mars Camo Patagonia, only available to the military. I have this in a cream colorway, and now I have it in this steel blue colorway. Fully reversible, super deep, luxurious pile. I believe these are from like early 2000s. I don't know if they're tagged because they're reversible, so let me check. Checking for some tagging, guys. I don't see it. But yeah, this is my second Mars reversible fleece. Super hyped to have this one. Super friggin' rare. If you want to know more about these Mars pieces, I made a whole video on the Mars Patagonia line. It's on the channel. Go check that out. Oh, but it's freaking sick. Digicam. I believe you buy these on the U.S. Marine Corps base. Anyway, that's it for the haul. Again, I had no idea what was in there. Hope you enjoyed that video. Haven't been buying a ton of shit lately, so it's kind of random. But thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, guys. See you on the next one. Go listen to the podcast. Peace.